Namaskar. We are drawing a rose today. Let's start. To make a rose, first we make a cup. This part is called a cup. So we have drawn a cup. We have drawn one petal here, other petal here. Now we'll draw a very small petal here. Smaller one. Okay? It's a small one. Then a big one but curved. Like this here. There will be some small petals which will be seen from the back of the flower. So we are drawing them also. This rose will have a stem. We are showing like this. And this rose will have some leaves. These are the leaves. There is one or two petal more we can show here. So our design is ready. Now very quickly we'll draw the outline with the green color. First we are drawing the outline of leaves. Now I am taking red color and I'll draw the outline of rose. I'll start from the top. Take light green color and fill inside the leaves. Our bag is ready. I hope you liked the tutorial. Thank you for liking, sharing and subscribing the information about my YouTube channel Vandana's Art. Dhanyavad. Namaste.